All right, welcome back. So the first thing I want you to do is hit Control S to save our progress. And now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to merge down our layers. So if I select layer 13 and right click and click on merge down, it's going to, and I'm going to hit Control Z, because what it's going to do is it's going to grab the layer right below it and you're going to merge these two layers together. So let's do that again. So merge down. So then what that's going to do is it's just going to combine these two layers and merge them so that when you edit the layer, you're editing both and they're merged together. So you're only going to do this, and I'm going to hit Control Z to undo that. Okay, and I'm going to hit Control S to save. The only way that you're going to merge them down is if this layer, you've edited everything you need to and it's finished. Like you don't need to do anything else with this layer, then you merge it down. Same with this one. You're not going to be able to edit these anymore once you merge them together. So let's do that again. Let's merge down. And there you go. So that's how you merge down in Photoshop layers. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.